So I want to here briefly show this knife. This is a MicroTech paring knife. First of all, most remarkable thing about it is that it's only $70. $70 for a full real knife is actually quite an interesting price. This is M390. Came extremely sharp, maybe the sharpest production knife that I've ever seen. Maybe the sharpest knife I've ever seen at all. I think the only sharper one that I've seen was something from a custom maker, not something that you can buy just like that. So for the price, I feel like this is amazing sharpness. Paper towel. Again, this is not something that most knives can do. The edge is not aggressive, what people call aggressive. It definitely feels very, very fine and refined. Not something that's sharpened and, of course, abrasive. I don't know the finish. I can't tell by looking at it like this, but it's definitely not something that's aggressive. This is another kind of a paper towel type cloth, and this is extremely difficult to cut. The knife that I had that was sharper than this, the only one I can think of was this TJ Schwartz little knife that is also extremely sharp. Everything else, all the Spydercos, all the Bark River, whatever, everything else is never this sharp. Maybe it's not even as sharp, but this one is a little bit used. Yeah. Actually, at this point, it doesn't seem as good anymore. So, in any case, next thing I'll do, just for fun, is do a best test and check the angle on this. Okay, so the angle is about 17 degrees. I don't know if I can show this or not effectively, but I don't think it's going to show, but it's 17 degrees per side, approximately, maybe 17.5, which is reasonable for a kitchen knife. 117 is actually not amazing. One of 4 is a little bit better. $109. Let's do one more. $121. So around 110 to 120, I would say, which is not amazing, but not terrible by no stretch. Acceptable. This is the bevel under 100 time magnification. You can see excellent finish. Really no damage to the edge at all from coarse sharpening. So the initial impressions are it's a very interesting little kitchen knife at a good price. Beveled tang, or beveled, whatever this area is called. Very sharp, I think it's G10 handle. One concern that I have is that the handle is definitely very, very sharp, has very sharp edges. For a kitchen knife, probably not, well, for any knife, honestly, probably not what you want. I would prefer this to be exactly the same, but smooth, without these sharp edges here. I don't know how significant it is in real life, but probably would have been better otherwise. But very good shape. The weight is reasonable. Interesting. For $70, I think it's definitely an interesting deal here.